Oh. Hey, this is Jack from Jack Does Stuff. We're in the middle of Hurricane Ida going on out here. And we're doing a chicken check. Okay? So, my chickens live in this little covered area by this tree. It's very windy out, but not really over here. I guess that's because of the tree. We got Sunny right there. Bob's the brown one, and Chirpy's the one with the smooth red thing on her head. And the final one is Coffe, or Blackie, whatever you want to call her. She's hiding in the trees because she's a little scared. But it's, like I said, it's very loud. And I do not know what we're going to do about this. But right now we're surviving. I don't think they're very happy. Hi, Bob. Oh, we got 2 eggs. Anything else? That's where they roost. Hi, Sunny. So this is Sunny. She loves me. She always tries to follow me around. Bob's right there, the brown one. Once again, Chirpy's the other white one. And Blackie / Coffee's the black one. And these are just my chickens. We're doing the chicken check because it's Hurricane Ida going on out here. They like to live in these bushes. There's the garden, food, and water. This is the little area before I let them out. Nothing very interesting, but this has been the chicken check with Jack. See you next time.